What it do, y'all? Welcome to the Crypto Channel 329. Today's video is going to be about 9 to 5. There are some nice updates about the project. Okay, so let's go over to the 9 to 5 and let's see what's up. Okay, so the project was under maintenance this morning, still a bit glitchy. Okay, that's why I have to open 3 separate pages because it's taking quite some time to load up. Okay, so deposits 317,000 USDT deposit. Employees 495. Revenue generated 6,000 bucks. So that means injection. And the daily ROI for this week is 1.3 bucks. Okay, so if you go over to your office, if you haven't joined any department, there will be a pop-up message asking you to join a department. Okay, without joining the department, you will not be able to continue to use the project. Okay, so you will have to select a department. So all you got to do is come over here to department. Okay, and then under the departments, you will see teams right here. So as you can see right here, I'm under department CT in crypto. CT is my buddy. That's why I decided to join his department. Okay, so from here, so once you join the department, you will select the department. So you'll have lots of teams. Okay, down here. Okay, you select the department that you want to roll with. You click confirm. You pay the MetaMask gas fee, and that's it. So once you join the department, you will no longer be able to leave the department and move to a different department. Okay, so you will have to select the department wisely. Okay, and then once you select the department, as you can see right here, I have some points. Okay, these points is according to my deposits. Okay, so I'm going to explain how it works. Okay, so if you go over to the docs, okay, so you'll find the docs right there. Okay, so go over to the docs and you'll find over here at the top departments and major changes. Okay, so it is mandatory for you to select a department. Like I said, without selecting a department, you're not going to be able to continue to play the platform. Okay, and it's free. All you got to do is pay the MetaMask gas fee, and that's it. Okay, users will not be affected. Okay, nothing else will happen. Okay, and that's it. So pointing system, so for each dollar that you deposit, you will get 10 points. Okay, so that's why you see right here 541 points, because I invested in this account $54. Okay, $54.1. So that multiplying by 10, it's 541. Okay, that's what you see right there. Okay, so for every deposit, you'll get 10 points. For every compound, I think this work hardest ain't supposed to be here, because when you compound, you're compounding everything. Okay, so when you compound, you will get 5 points for every USDT. And for each work harder, you will get 2.5 points for each USDT, because when you work hard, it's going to be 50-50 from your compound. 50 will go back to the TVL, 50 will go to your wallets. Okay, so how this department works. Okay, so if you come over here to departments, we can see the teams. Okay, so for example, the Pocket Aces, they have 10 team members and the total points is 20,000 points. Okay, so by the end of the week, on a Friday, is it Friday? I think it's a Friday. Okay, the team that accumulates more points will win. Okay, will win a prize, and the weekly budget, it's right here, 3.07 USDT. Okay, and that weekly prize will be distributed to all team members. Okay, and then whoever deposit more funds will get a big share of those weekly prizes. Okay, so let's go over to the major changes and let's see what's up. Okay, like we already know, the daily APR, okay, the daily APR change weekly. Okay, so every week, I believe every Sunday or every Monday, start of the Monday, okay, the daily APR will change according to the revenue generated from the previous week. It makes very sense. Okay, and so, for example, if you have made 100 bucks Monday to Friday, okay, so don't let those 100 bucks roll into the next week, because if the daily ROI changes from 1.5 to 1%, for example, in this case, your rewards, instead of being $100, will be around $80. So it's important for you to take action, such as withdraw, compound, or work harder during weekends. Okay, because weekends the office is closed, so there will be no rewards. So it's a good time for you to take action. Okay, because otherwise, if the daily APR changes um, to 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 a small figure than the currently is, okay, you will be at loss. But on the other hand, so if it goes from 1% to 1.5%, okay, you'll be up in profits. Okay, it's a 50-50 chance. Okay, but it's recommended for you to take action during the weekend. Okay, so that way you will not lose your profits and you will not get upset. Okay, they also added a new feature on the compound and work hard. Okay, so you can only compound or work hard 9 times. After 9 times, you will be out of the game. As you can see right here, okay, I've got 9 times. I can compound or work hard 9 times. After that, if I want to continue to compound or work hard, I will have to make a new deposit. Then again, guys, the minimum deposit is 30 USD. So I'll have to deposit 30 USD to have the 9 counts again. Okay. And they also changed the cooldown system for the compound and work hard. It used to be 2 days for compound and 4 days for work hard. Now it's just 1 day. So once you compound or work hard, you will have to wait 1 day to take that action again. Okay, and the referral system has changed as well. Okay, so whoever joins the platform under your referral link, you will get a 1% referral commission straight to your wallet, and the other 1.5% the other 0.5% goes to the referees managers. 1% goes into the partner contract that will distribute rewards on a weekly basis to the winning departments. Okay, so this weekly budget right here will come from here. Okay, referral system. Okay, and it makes sense, guys, because the money doesn't grow on trees. Okay, the money has to come from somewhere. Okay, and to make this project more sustainable, okay, I agree with these actions, and it's actually a really cool system. Okay, so let's go over to my dashboard. Okay, so this is my dashboard right here. So I have 1.26 available to withdraw. Okay, so as you can see right here, my stats hasn't changed yet because I've only been working harder. Okay, so what I will do, I will withdraw this 1.26 and then I will make a new deposit. Okay, I think my MetaMask is connected. Yes, it is. So let's go. Okay, so and hit withdraw. Okay, MetaMask will pop up. Let's claim this 1.27 bucks. And there you go, guys. Beautiful. So, because I haven't, that was my first claim, so my total ROI hasn't popped up, okay? But because I just made that claim, I just only been working harder, okay? So my ROI hasn't popped up right there. So now you can see the total withdrawn and personal return of investment. And over here we can see my monthly salary, okay? So now I have my USDT in my wallet. So what I will do is I am gonna go and deposit all my USDT that I have in my wallets. Okay, so first you approve and then you deposit. Okay, I'm gonna pause this video, do these things, and then show you what's up. And that's it, guys. So I just approved and deposit. So I'm just waiting for the MetaMask to pop up and everything should change. Okay, boom, right there. Okay, so total invested should change. Monthly salary should change. Daily salary should change. And also weekly salary should change. Okay, so there you go, guys. Total invested 260, total withdrawn, da da da. As you can see, because I deposit a bit more, my return on investment has changed as well. My monthly salary changed as well. So 74.43 bucks per month if the APR stays the same. Okay, so if the APR changed, then the monthly salary will change. Okay, over here we can see how much I'll be earning per day. per week and per month. Okay, over here we can see the last claim. So I made a claim a few minutes ago, okay, because I wanted to make a deposit, okay, and then minimum claim is going to be tomorrow at the same time, so 24 hours later, and then there is a cooldown, there is a cap, so I have to take action in the next 7 days. After that, the accumulation rewards will stop. Okay, so from now, if I want to compound or work hard, I will have to wait 1 day. Okay, so 1 day later, I'll be able to come over here and hit compound or work hard. Okay, and as you can see right here, I'm in department of CT. Okay, so let's go over to the departments, okay, because now I've made deposits. Okay, so I have more points available. There you go. So my points have been updated. Okay, so let's go over to the team CT, or my department in this case, and let's go ahead and select how many points I decide to invest. Remember, the team's weekly balance will reset. Okay, so for this week, I have this amount of points. Okay, so the next week, my points will be resetted. Okay, so if I have not made any deposits, I will not have any points. I believe that's how it's going to play out, but we will figure it out next week. Points are useless to me, so I'm going to deposit all the points. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and deposit, and then I will have to pay another gas fee, I believe, and to withdraw. This is to withdraw the rewards if my team wins. Just a side note, guys, if you decided to hit max, okay, it will try to deposit this long number, and you will come up with an error. Okay, so all you got to do is cut the digits, just leave the long number 2602, and that's it. Okay, should go through once you delete those long digits. Okay, that's what happened. That's why I decided to, just give you this side note. Okay, MetaMask gas fee has been paid. Okay, so we're just waiting for the confirmation. Boom, right there. The points are gone. So if we scroll up, we can see that the team balance is now 6,202 points. And my percentage of that pool is 41%. Okay. And as you can see right here, Team CT right there, 2 members. Okay. And yeah, basically that's that, guys. And yeah, I'm gonna wrap this video up. All the links gonna be down in the description. Stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.